Yo. So today I wanted to do a cupcake filled with fruits, kind of like a Twinkie, but only fruit. I wanted to do something with Coke. I had a lot of Coke left around, so I was like, hey, let's flavor something with Coke. And this idea hit me and I was excited to do it, so I had to try. I used silicone liners. My batter didn't have whole milk in it, so I was a little nervous about that, but I had to improvise here. And that's the name of the channel. Ad-libbing is what we do. So I had some fun. No whole milk. I used more butter and sour cream in place of that. Running a little better on the baking soda. Had plenty of baking powder. Here's where I doubled up my butter. Creamed it twice. It just has a better bind if you use a little more butter in there. More fat, brings in more flavor. Those things are great for your batters when you're doing that. No yolks inside of this whatsoever. That helps the fluffiness come out a little better. Next, I believe it's called dredging, where you add in your dry to your wet like this, and then you get a little bit of whip, add it in, bake it 350, scoop out the centers to add in your fruit filling. Then I start on my cream cheese icing. You can kind of see that, this is my favorite, just based off of the flick of the wrist there. One of the things about cream cheese icing is that it has a lot of confectioner sugar in it. If I were to do this again, I would most likely use a little bit less sugar, possibly more cream cheese. Adjusting the recipe this way, not one of my wife's favorite things, because anytime I make something, I'm like, how can I change this or how can I improve it? Again, ad-libbing is what I do. In this case, I feel like a little less sugar would be perfect, but don't tell my wife. Next, I get to the piping. The piping part is a struggle for me. One of the things I hope to improve in my channel is just how good I am at decorating cakes or decorative measures in that matter. Well, I did plan on getting better, and it just will not happen in this video. I looked around and I thought, I only have so much icing and so much time, so I had to do something on the fly. Called in my wife and she just knocked it out of the park. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Adlib Foodie, Instagram, Facebook, all the rest. I'm going to post more videos here in the future.